Shopify domain errors usually show as domain not pointing to Shopify, DNS records invalid, domain not connected, or SSL or HTTPS issues. Here are the most common causes and fixes. Name servers, pointing to Shopify, recommended method. Log into your domain registrar, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, etc. Go to DNS or name server settings. Change name servers to Shopify's. NS1, Shopify.com, and NS2, Shopify.com. Save. Wait 24 to 48 hours for propagation. In Shopify, admin, settings, domains, check if domain shows connected. A record or name not set correctly. External DNS. In registrar's DNS records, a record, point to Shopify IP 23.227.3865. CNAME record, point to shops.myshopify.com. Remove any conflicting A/AAAA or CNAME records. Save. Wait up to 48 hours. Refresh Shopify domains page. SSL or HTTPS error. After DNS connects, Shopify auto issues free SSL. Takes minutes to hours. If stuck, settings, domains, click domain, enable HTTP, clear browser cache, or test in incognito. Common quick checks domain is not expired or locked in registrar. No extra subdomains conflicting, for example, old www CNAME. Remove Cloudflare proxy, orange cloud, if used. Set to DNS only, gray cloud. Use Shopify's Verify Connection button in Domains tab.